Welcome to our review of the Bgears b-BlackWidow-RGB white gaming PC case. This ATX mid-tower case boasts an impressive array of features that cater to the demands of gamers and enthusiasts alike. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk aesthetics. The mesmerizing ripple effect ARGB LED lighting on the front panel is an absolute showstopper. It adds a dynamic and captivating visual element to your setup, setting it apart from the crowd. Coupled with the tinted tempered glass side window, this case screams premium. But it's not all about looks. The functionality of the b-BlackWidow-RGB is equally impressive. With support for ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, it offers versatility for various build sizes. The separate chamber design for the power supply ensures efficient cooling, while the support for water cooling configurations further enhances thermal performance. The inclusion of 3 ARGB 120mm PWM fans is a welcome addition. These fans not only provide excellent airflow but also contribute to the stunning lighting effects. Plus, with the included 6-channel fan hub and remote controller, managing fan speeds and ARGB lighting is a breeze. In terms of storage and expansion, this case doesn't disappoint. It supports up to 6 fans, including optional front fan configurations. The ample space for HDDs and SSDs, along with 7 PCI slots and vertical GPU installation support, offers plenty of room for customization and future upgrades. Overall, the Bgears b-BlackWidow-RGB white gaming PC case delivers on both style and substance. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a PC building enthusiast, this case offers an unmatched ARGB experience that will elevate your setup to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.